50 M's? What?
That's a salary every hour he streams.
I'm probably gonna just have to DM him and ask him. Like he gonna respond, but still, shit, you never know. So to cut to the chase, me and my cousin was having a conversation about how streamers get paid and how much they make. And I had a little idea. So let's do some research. I don't know if this shit gonna work. We have to find out. I was just editing my last video. I ran out of storage on my computer, on my main SSD and my backup SSD. So I had to upgrade. Got that 1 terabyte.
Cameraception right here.
I'm vlogging. Okay, what is his name?
Bubblegum.
Okay, what is his occupation?
Eating all of his food.
You think you know he being recorded?
Probably.
Look at this skin. So I'm a little bit late right now, but we pretty much talking about how streamers make money and how to get started as a streamer. We've been talking about it for probably like 10 minutes, and I should have been recording from the jump. I'm looking crazy right now because I had a hat on. Don't worry about that though. I just asked him what is a gifted sub and how much does it cost, and he looking it up right now.
One gift is $7.99, right? 5 gifts is originally $39.95, but
For 5?
but it's a save on it, so it's $25.97.
So
That could be a little tactic. I just peeped it. That could be a little tactic. They make it more and say it's on sale, but originally it's really just 25, and people be like, oh, they feel like they're getting a deal. But
so wait a minute.
$25.97 for 5 gifts.
So wait a minute. So that means if I'm watching your stream and I gift you 5 gifted subs, how much money did you make?
I think $25.97. I don't know if Twitch gets a piece of that or what.
So you telling me that some people be gifting 100 subs and that shit is gonna be like $1,000?
$519.35.
$500? $500 for 100 subs?
100 gifted subs, yeah.
And that be happening all the time on his streams. Pretty much this is I'm just doing some research myself, looking at how much money streamers make.
How much does Kai Cenat make per individual stream?
I'm gonna say he makes like $100,000.
Okay.
It might seem outrageous, but
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. We'll see if you're right or wrong. I broke down the numbers. Kai Cenat's tier 1 subscriptions, which means it's $4.99 per month. That's the highest tier you can pay to be a subscriber. This is only his tier 1 subscriptions, could make him up to $3.6 million per month.
oh wow.
He streamed 10 times last month, which means he made $360,000 per stream.
This is really ridiculous. Like, I need to really find a way to get into this, brother.
Each stream was about 5 hours long, which means that he's making $72,000 per hour of work.
Collaborating with Ronaldo, Speed turned pure chaos into fame and fortune. He's now worth $50 million.
50
Number 3
M's?
is Kai Cenat, Twitch's most entertaining personality. With crazy viral moments, Kai pulled in a massive $70 million net worth. Number 2 is Eden Ross. Love him or hate him with huge deals and exclusive streams. He's now sitting on $110 million. Lastly, we have XQC sitting on top with $150 million. Do streamers really work that hard? Say it in the comments.
150 million? Cause I'll actually watch him. About to look up Queso real quick.
Ever wonder how much Queso makes daily as a top streamer? Let's break it down. Queso, the Twitch and YouTube star, pulls in serious cash. With around 54,000 Twitch subs, he earns about $8,500 monthly. Plus, brand deals with GamerSups and U2s. Crunch the numbers, and Queso's making around $7,000 to $10,000 a day.
God damn! 2,000 a day, my boy. I bet you all of these numbers not even correct though, so I'm probably gonna just have to DM him and ask him. Like he gonna respond, but still, shit, you never know. Shit.
That means
Okay.
he is making $1,200 per minute of work.
So we rolling. Oh, almost fell. Oh, we can swap it out. Yeah, this a test though. This just a test though. Robin off the GameCube Nintendo. Yeah. So to cut to the chase.